There we have it, YouTube. Got all planted out, 33 of them. It's getting ready to rain. Hey, good afternoon, YouTube. It's Friday. Friday fun day. So the next phase of the project is to add a deep water culture bed to the system. I've got a whole bunch of lettuce that needs a home, and I can't think of a better idea. So, I've got this chunk of an IBC tote that was left over from the sump tank disaster. Story for another day. That's what I want to do today. I want to see if I can get this up and mounted. I got some lumber over here. Things ready to go. The first thing I want to do is get this cage split up. These cages make for great tank holders, framing for the tank. I have a Sawzall, but I destroyed the blade doing something else, so now I'm stuck with a hacksaw. All right, next we'll go on to the framing. As you can see, I'm using the scrap 2x2 lumber that I have. It's all hardwood. It's important that you pre-drill and use lag bolts. You know, those drywall screws are really not made to handle intense weight for a long time. They just don't have that shear strength. So after you get the frame built, you get it in place, it's all level, ready to go. Then you want to drill holes, pre-drill the holes into the steel, and drive some screws in to hold that frame in place so it can't shift around on you. You can see I got one right there, another one here. And then the other thing you're going to want to do is attach the frame. The screws broke off, I got to cut that off. Attach the frame, the wood to it, because these sides will want to bow out on you. Then you drive some screws in along the edge there, keep it from coming in on itself. And the screws all right there. I already drilled the hole. If you want to know when you go to drill holes in these tanks, you go forward until you feel those teeth bite, and then you go in reverse. Alright, I know it seems counterintuitive, but I've heard stories of people running these forward, and these teeth are just so aggressive that it actually tears the tank. So you want to make sure that you run that in reverse, and what will happen is the plastic will just melt. Alright, you can see that I have an apprentice mark over here. I'm going to fill that in with some sealant. So, I've already dried the area. I had water sitting in this just to make it heavy so it'd sink into the ground. So the silicone I'm using today is the GE all-purpose clear weatherproof sealant. You want to make sure you get stuff that does not have the mold inhibitor. It has a chemical that's slowly released. You don't want to use that. Alright. So I'm going to make sure this area is dry, and I'm going to add a little bit of silicone. Make sure it's good to go. First up, I should say next, I'm going to get these burrs off of here. I don't know where my deburring tool went. If you guys know where it is, let me know. Should be good. Alright. Let's get our sealant out. Let's hope she's not all dried up in there. That'll do us any good. I'm going to put some on the bottom too, just to make sure that it's on there good. tell you, the last thing you want is this thing to leak. Actually, you got it all together and full of water. All right. That's there. That's good there. Go ahead and fill this one in. Nice wide flat seal. Keep anything from passing through or tearing it up. Next. Yep, just kidding. There you go. All right, that should be good. That looks good. All right, so now we wait. There we have it, YouTube. Go all planted out, 33 of them. It's getting ready to rain, and I'll be doing the next set. I get another chance to come out here. Really easy. Use the 2.5. I think it was a 2-inch bit. I just milled those little holes out real quick. Drop these 2-inch net cups. And it's perfect. I mean, the fit is just fantastic. Done. All right, I'll leave those guys in there, get a little bit of nutrient-rich water to bring them back. And that's it. I plan to get the rest of these filled in. Geez, I might even have probably 70 plants to be able to put in here. That's fantastic. Well, signing off. Best of luck with your system. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, hit me up in the messages. Talk to you later.